Impulse Tunes, built for modern independent artists.
In this video, we are going to learn how to register an account with Impulse Tunes and how to complete the onboarding steps. Right. So first of all, you head on to impulsetunes.com, or you can search Impulse Tunes on Google. Then use the first link or the website to impulsetunes.com. Right. So on Impulse Tunes, you can just click on sign up, or you can enter your email here to get a free first time release. So let's click on sign up. In this video, we are going to sign up for our Impulse Tunes account using either email or Google account, right? So for fast approach, we are going to use our Google account to sign up, to create an account, right? But if you want to use your email, you can also use your email address. You enter email address here, then you enter your password and confirm password. So we are going to use Google. Click on Google, then that's it. Authentication successful, and here we are. Welcome to Impulse Tunes. And yeah, so you are going to click on complete step 1 to complete this step. In all, there's about 4 steps. So our username, we are going to use Yaco, right? Then in our first name, we are going to use Emmanuel. So first name Emmanuel. Then our last name, we are going to use Anna. Then gender is male, English. Country, I'll go with, you can go with your, so I'll go with Ghana. And the number, I'm going to go with my WhatsApp number. Now, this is the review step. So, music distribution experience. I'm new to distribution, or if you have experience, you can choose I have experience. Then you type the distributor that you have used before. That's either DistroKid or TuneCore or even CD Baby, right? So for now, let's go with I'm new to distribution. Then how did you discover Impulse Tunes? So well, I discovered Impulse Tunes from social media, right? Then we are going to go with save information. That's it. You are done with your onboarding on Impulse Tunes. So this is it. With just these few clicks, steps, you are done. You have your Impulse Tunes account and you are ready to distribute your song to all streaming platforms. In my next video, I am going to show you guys how to subscribe to your distribution plans. Right? So see you.
Impulse Tunes, built for modern independent artists.